AirPod 5, turn left heading 270, maintain 6,000.
270, 6,000, AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, you said you had the weather there, Marco, correct?
Yes, sir.
Roger, sounds good. Which runway were you planning?
We're planning for 17, and we'll probably cancel in about 25, 30 miles.
Sounds good. The visual to 17?
That sounds like a plan. AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, roger.
Heading 270, 6,000.
270, 6,000.
Descent checklist, please.
Set checklist. Combine it with everything. Pressurization's good. We get 0 on the landing altitude. Anti-ice is off and not needed. Mach hold is off. ATIS, we have the AWAS. Latest weather, FBO is notified. Altimeter set. Lights are on. Cabin is empty. Fuel, we got plenty. Landing with 4,900 pounds. Landing data, you went over that. Approach briefing, we're doing a visual.
Yeah.
And we talked about the other stuff. There isn't much else. Barrelment's not relevant. Again, doing visual. 10,000 checks. Belts are on. Crew belts are also on. Left is also set. APU is off. We'll turn it on the ground. Pumps are auto and avionics are set for the approach.
Okay.
Take flight 649.
Extend me off FCOF?
I will.
100.
Right 100, type flight 649.
171, execute, and you're good to go.
Awesome, thank you. We'll just confirm here.
And we got 22, yeah, we got 22.7 on COM 2, ready for the CTEF. We'll call the field soon.
Okay.
AirPod 5, turn left to a
Say again, you're broken, AirPod 5?
AirPod 5, left turn direct to a Zomi.
Left turn direct as Zomi, AirPod 5. I think it's probably on the plate.
AirPod 5, I think I stepped into there. Left turn direct to Avcoff.
There you go.
Yeah, Avcoff is the waypoint, that makes sense. AirPod 5, thanks.
Yeah, I was thinking, sorry, I had another one. Too many named way fixes.
Oh, good, thanks.
Okay.
AirPod 5, contact approach now on 124.12, 2412. Have a good one.
2412, you too, AirPod 5.
We have nav armed.
Copy that. Approach, AirPod 5 is 7,800, descending 6,000, left turn direct, Avcoff for the visual 27. 17, correction.
AirPod 5, Fort Myers, roger, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, AirPod 5.
3,000 set.
Copy that.
You want to balance the fuel? Just leave it as it is.
You can look at the, it's fine, it's only 100 pounds. You can go up to like 400 pounds difference or so.
Do you have us on data? Just confirming by SC1C. It's Paris Sierra 313. I did not understand your question. Can you just say it a little slower for me, please? I was just confirming if you have us on data by SC1C. Paris Sierra 313, affirmative, you are. Radar contact, 15 miles northeast of Naples, Fort Myers altimeter, 2986. Your altitude indicates 4,600. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about that. I said C1C. That's not a problem. If you got a question, always ask.
Looks like there might be somebody in the pattern. November 12875. It's fine, the island's not really an island.
For marketing purposes only.
AirPod 5, understand you want Avcoff for the visual. Did you just want a GPS 17 approach for the book?
No, we'll take the visual, AirPod 5. I'll let you know as soon as I see the field.
Once we get slower to Avcoff, I'll start slowing down.
Sounds good. Naples should be right on our nose, and then it should be somewhere over there.
33.5. 335, 2.5.
Yeah, we're still like 20 miles out. one.
view. That's kind of.
Copy.
That's great.
Well, there's Naples Airport. That means it should be over there somewhere. What is it, like 10 miles south of Naples? Yeah, I see it. I think so. Pretty sure I see it. See that? Well, you see the island in the distance,
Yeah.
and then just before there's like the water, I guess half port-ish, and then there's like a weird building in the middle of nowhere there. Just take a little bit left, you'll see the runway.
5 descend 2000.
I see it over there.
Airport 10 to 11 o'clock and a 10
We have it
miles.
inside.
2000 and airport inside, AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, clear visual approach, Marco Island Airport.
Clear visual, Marco Airport runway 17, and we'd like to cancel IFR this time, AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, IFR cancellation is received. Squawk 1200, change advisories. Have a great day.
Squawk 1200 and advisory AirPod 5. Just take left a little bit, not to scrape the Naples class Delta. Just take like a 200 heading for now.
6.8.
I'll line you up from a jumbo. Even though I know the Delta is what is up to, yeah, it's up to 2500.
4000 direct Naples with November. Lexi 1 Yankee Myers approach.
Right, let's go com 2. And 1200 on the squawk and look out for traffic.
2986, we'll pick up Oscar, number 1 Yankee.
Probably 10 miles north.
Yeah. Let's go.
Bird left side clear.
I see it over there.
Yep. Marco Island traffic, Challenger 3905, Papa Delta is 10 miles to the north, inbound full stop for runway 17 straight in.
Marco traffic, Cessna 1375, short final 17, touch and go, Marco.
Wait, 1500.
Lantana traffic, white, red, and blue Skyhawk, Cap 837, 10 miles to the west, inbound for runway 16 Lantana.
Okay. Flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
Okay, we have the field inside over there.
Yes, sir.
Marco traffic, 3979 Quebec, entering left downwind, Marco traffic.
Now enough capture.
Copy. Marco traffic, Challenger 3905, Papa Delta is 7 to the north, straight in 17.
We'll give it approach.
Marco traffic, Cessna 1375, upwind 17, Marco.
Hey, Marco traffic, 397 Quebec is in a downwind for 17, going to extend out for that traffic on final. Marco traffic.
Sir, if you're on downwind, you can go ahead and land. We still got about 2.5, 3 minutes for that straight in, and we appreciate it though.
Roger, 397 Quebec is turning base for 17, Marco traffic.
Gonna slow us down a little bit.
Yeah, the Challenger is probably going to fit in between the traffic that's turning base and the one on the upwind. It's going to line up good. And Challenger 395 Papa Delta has a 5-mile final for runway 17, Marco traffic.
Let's do landing gear down.
Landing gear coming down.
Then VGP.
Alright. Alright, I think I see the guy. He's turning. I don't see him.
Okay. Flaps 30 before landing checklist, please.
Flaps full. Full landing checks. We got gear down 3 greens. Flaps 30. Landing clearance for clear ourselves, and lights are all on. Let's see where the traffic is. Marco traffic, Challenger 395 Papa Delta is a 3.5-mile final for runway 17, Marco traffic. We see the guy on final. Ooh, that's not going to line up well.
And Marco traffic, 397 Quebec is turning short final, short approach for runway 17, Marco traffic.
Okay.
Yeah, we have you in sight. Keep going. If needed, we'll just go around. It's fine.
Roger, let us know. We can go around as well if you need us to. Marco traffic.
No, sir, you have the right of way. You're here first. It's all good. Thanks.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
It is the rules. Just
So
because
you're saying-
yeah, just because we're a jet doesn't mean. But you see him, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Yeah, just keep the minimum speed. We'll do. Hopefully, it works out. If not, we'll go join the pattern and land. It's all good.
Okay, this one is left traffic.
17.
It is left traffic. It is. And the other one. Yeah,
Marco traffic, Cessna 12875, left downwind.
Okay, he's sending it.
I think he's doing touch and go, right? And Marco traffic, Challenger 395 Papa Delta is on short final runway 17 traffic on the runways in sight.
Okay.
Approaching minimum.
Autopilot off.
Okay. Let's see.
Minimum.
Continue to land.
Just be ready to go
Marco
around.
traffic, 397 on Quebec is on the go. Gonna be staying in the pattern for runway 17, Marco traffic.
And he's off the runway.
He's off the runway?
You're good to go.
Okay. A little bit high,
100.
correct.
That's fine. Bird above us, no
50,
factor.
30, 20, 10.
Went to the right.
Hey, spoilers are out. Pursers are green. About half runway to go, 90 knots.
2,000 feet remaining.
70, 60, we'll go right at the end.
Okay. You have the airplane?
I have controls, thank you.
1,000 remaining.
And 40 knots, idle reverse. And your comms.
Okay.
Stay calm too.
I'll wait for us to get clear of the runway.
Sure.
100
Marco traffic,
feet
397 on
remaining.
Quebec, turning left base. Left.
Marco traffic, AirPod 5. We are clearing the runway at the end.
And just 395 Papa
Marco
Delta.
traffic, Cessna 12875, about 1.5 miles left
Okay,
base,
the left landing.
17 Marco.
After landing checks, yeah.
Ropes. Engine anti-ice is off.
And APU when you can.
Flaps. Lights. APU.
Good job putting it firmly on the runway. You came in a little bit high, that's fine. Short
Yeah.
runway, just put it down firmly. It can easily handle it, and we're all good.
Marco traffic, 397 on Quebec, turning left downwind. Marco traffic.
I said before I put it on the runway, let me make sure we can actually land.
Yeah.
Okay, we're taxiing all the way to the left at the end. And after landing complete.
Copy that.
Marco traffic, Cessna 12875, about mile final 17
One
Marco.
flight away.
Yeah. We'll try to clean the window when we take fuel, take the ladder.
Mark 1, Unicom, continue your taxi at the end of Alpha. At the end of Alpha, make a left, and then make another left. We're going to have you facing south in the alleyway. Mark 1, Unicom.
I think that's for us.
Roger that, left and left to face south, White Charger.
Micro traffic, Cessna 12875 is clear of 17 on Charlie, taxi.
Delta Mark on Unicom, if you could just hold position just at the second hangar, there's going to be a departing helicopter just on your 11 o'clock.
Yeah, we see it.
We see the helicopter holding short, White Charger.
Marco traffic, helicopter 44 X-ray Bravo, picking in from the FBO, taxiing to Alpha.
Marco traffic 3979 Quebec, turning left base. Marco traffic.
That must be so fun in that helicopter, no doors. Beautiful weather.
He's a real one, he's taxiing to the taxiway.
Yeah.
Just taking off your own risk and send it.
And you can swap the bleeds.
And 3955 Papa Delta, you can just make a left turn just on the right wing of that Gulfstream.
Yeah, that's...
Marco traffic 3979 Quebec, turning final. Marco traffic.
Very nice and clean.
Up. Oh, we're way early. We only got like an hour and 25 till they show up.